Welcome to the U.S. Grant, a luxury collection hotel located near the vibrant Gaslamp Quarter in San Diego. This historic hotel has welcomed guests for over 100 years and is an ideal location to explore the city. The hotel opened its doors on October 15, 1910, and has hosted presidents, celebrities, and has been a hallmark for women's rights. The grand, elegant lobby made a great first impression as we checked in. It is highlighted by these beautiful chandeliers leading to the staircase. Quick room tour to Queen Bed Deluxe. So as you enter on the right side, it has the closet with a bathrobe and 2 pairs of slippers. Let's see what's in these cabinets. That's storage. This one has the coffee maker with water and a kettle. And there's the teas right there. And the condiment kit. On the bottom is fridge and a safe, some glasses, and ice bucket. So there's a chair right here, this tall mirror, and the 2 queen beds. Small office desk right here. Let's see. It has this on here, just an envelope, paper, and a pen. There's menu for the hotel restaurant. And there is the TV with some more storage. Let's check out the bathroom. It's just your standard bathroom. Single sink with Byredo amenities. Here's the shower. There's the Byredo amenities again. And just a single shower. Nothing fancy here. Let's take a look at outside. There is construction at this hotel, so that's what it looks like outside. Let's take a look at it from this angle. And that's a quick tour of the 2 queen bedroom. Every Saturday morning, the hotel has a complimentary guided tour which showcases its rich history. Let's listen to the hotel's tour guide Mark, who showed us around the property.
So Thomas Leclerc painted the presidential portrait. He not only painted the one for the White House, he painted a smaller version for the family. His positioning is the same as the portrait of U.S. Grant Jr. And then his wife Julia, and then he had 2 sons and I believe 2 daughters, and I believe that's Fanny. And that, no, in fact, that is when he was a soldier in the Civil War before he was a general.
Oh,
So that's U.S. Grant, that's the president.
The president.
They went downstairs and raised it from the ceiling beneath. So in 100 years, they'll reopen the time.
Oh, so that's the original floor?
The original floor from
original
1910. And they only saved this one little bit. The rest is concrete, so we put plex. And Chairman's Court after the tribal leaders, the chairmans. His wine and cigars. Gave a tour to a carpenter, and he's like, these are all hand carved. This, for some reason, this room always gives me the butterflies. I don't know if it's that old wood smell.
Yeah, so yeah.
Or if there's the heebie-jeebies in here. I believe in it. We had our formal dining room upstairs. This is the casual dining room. Has the original cove ceilings. Now, when we took this over, the pillars had faux on the original door frame and door. And this is the original glass. These are the original floors from 1927. If you notice, this is the same flooring on 4th Avenue.
On the second floor, portraits of US presidents who have been here are on display. There are also portraits of first ladies that have visited the establishment. The hotel's restaurant, Grant Grill, serves spectacular AAA 4-diamond cuisine in a stunning Art Deco setting. Only men were allowed inside until 3 p.m. until the Grant Grill invasion. In 1969, a group of female attorneys instituted a year-long sit-in until the all-male policy was finally abandoned. It's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let's look at what we had for brunch, which they serve on the weekends. These braised beef cheeks melted in your mouth. However, our favorite was the jumbo lump crab quiche. And finally, an egg white omelette. We also had dinner at Grant Grill. The complimentary freshly baked bread was delicious. They also served this gazpacho in a shot glass to start off our meal. Mock turtle soup, made with braised beef, is their must-try signature dish.
This a little bowl is risotto with a little bit of chorizo.
Okay.
The sauce is saffron. And this a little tomato, it's a tomato paste.
Okay.
Okay? Same thing over there.
The seared Pacific swordfish was well seasoned and cooked perfectly as well. All the food was exceptional, and we will definitely come back here for dinner in the future. The hotel serves complimentary coffee and tea in the morning by the lobby, and mocktails in the afternoon. Here's a quick look at the small but functional gym. We had a surprisingly pleasant stay at the US Grant. We particularly enjoyed the fantastic food from Grant Grill and the hotel's location. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Leave any questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and check out our other videos.